today's video, I will show you how you can create AI UGC videos like this and this. Magagamit mo ito when promoting your products, be it in affiliate or in dropshipping, or even get paid for it if you offer it as a service. Hey there everyone! Welcome back here in my channel. I am Teacher Marie, and in today's video guys, we are going to be making AI UGC videos. We are going to be trying out a new tool, an AI-powered platform that will let us create these AI UGC videos in under 60 seconds. Ano nga ba itong mga UGC videos? So UGC basically stands for user-generated content. And ito yung mga type of videos that are designed to look natural and authentic as if it's produced or created by real customers. Now, a lot of brands or online sellers would create these kinds of videos because they tend to be super effective when promoting or marketing a product. Now, yung problema dito guys is they tend to be super time consuming to make, and also it could be very expensive. So that's why with the AI tools available nowadays, a lot of people and brands and online sellers are already creating AI UGC videos. So that's exactly what we are going to do today guys, and for that we are going to be using this platform, Create UGC. So first we're going to create and sign up for an account. By the way, if you want to also test out the platform with me, then make sure to find the link in the description box below or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So right now guys, they currently are offering a 3-day free trial where you don't pay for anything for the next 3 days and you can generate 3 AI UGC videos. So the first step here guys is to provide your product link or add product manually to generate a video. If you have photos of your product, then you can enter it here. But for us to do this much faster, let's provide a product link. So I have here already a product that I have chosen from one of my products there on my dropshipping store. So when choosing the product guys, make sure that those are products that can be held by hand, because as you can see here in the video type, there are basically 2 AI UGC videos that you can create here. We have the video reaction and then we have the product in hand. Now for the video reaction, could be just anything since it's just a photo in front of the avatar. Okay, so we have already our product link. The next step is to choose a video type. So I want to actually try all of it, but for now I'll choose the first product in hand video first and then click here continue. So as you can see here guys, they have already auto-filled the product name, the description of the product from our product listing there on my dropshipping store. So you can also still edit them, but for now, let's just leave it that way. And then we are going to select the image that will be used by the avatar. So video settings. So basically we are to choose the platform, the aspect ratio, the duration based on where we are to post this AI UGC video later on. So if it's on TikTok, on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, or Instagram. And then we have also this option general. So I'll just keep it that way, general. And then 9:16 aspect ratio, language English. And then we have here 3 options for the duration, 15, 30, and 60-second videos. So mga short form videos. And then we have here, choose your avatars. Filter here by gender and ethnicity. So since my product is a travel tumbler, so I want to look for an avatar that looks sporty. And look at here guys, most of the avatars actually look super natural. I mean, makikita mo naman na may mga super obvious na AI. So I'll just go for this avatar right here. The avatar that you choose already will have their own voice, but you can still have the option to select other voice if you want. Now next is we have the script. You are given 3 choices: funny, selling, or professional. So since we wanted to promote the product, I'll just choose here selling. So they have already here AI generated script, but we can still also change that if you're not happy with it. But for now, let's let AI do its thing. So we're just gonna have to wait until our video is exported. Now we're just gonna do the exact same thing with the other video types because I want to try also the video reaction and the two other product in hand videos. VO3 has a shorter duration which offers only 8-second long AI UGC videos. Now for Kling AI naman, it offers only 2 durations. We have 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So while we're waiting for that, guys, to be finished, to get exported, we are going to try also this one, the video reaction AI UGC video. So for this one, maghahanap ako ng ibang product here on my dropshipping store. By the way, if you're interested with doing dropshipping, I have created a new video on how you can start building your dropshipping business the fastest way possible. You can check that one out also, the link in the description box below or in the pinned comment. Take note that the avatar's lip movements aren't fully synced yet with the audio when you're watching the preview. Don't worry, the final video will be perfectly synchronized. And that's it. So actually, guys, in under 2 minutes, let's say 2 to 3 minutes, we're able to create basically 3 type of UGC videos right here.
Hate missing out on the latest trend? The 2026 Owala Free Sip Sway in Early Birdie is flying off shelves. 30 OZA, bold color, ultimate hydration, only while supplies last. Order now before it's gone.
This Owala tumbler keeps my drink cold all day and fits my bag perfectly. Grab yours before they sell out. I tried the new Owala 30-ounce free sip tumbler and wow, 30 ounces, no leaks, and this neon golf color tops. Hurry, don't race out!
Now, I would say that the one that is created with Kling AI has the most natural looking, more authentic because of the facial expressions. Parang mas natural yung mga facial expression niya compared to the first product in hand video na hindi masyadong expressive yung face ng AI. I mean, you can still tell that they are AI, but personally, especially the Kling AI, looks pretty realistic for an AI video. So after that, guys, you can basically download the video right here, or you can also click here, edit. So just basic editing here where you can add text, change the font, change the color of the font, and also add text highlight. Okay, so doon naman tayo sa video reaction.
Ever tried stuffing your life into a tiny bag? Say goodbye to suitcase wrestling matches. Our 2-piece travel bag set holds it all, even your wildest shoe collection. Pack smarter, travel happier. Grab yours now.
The AI itself looks pretty realistic. But I think there's still some more improvement that's needed when it comes to eye movement and then also the synchronization, the lips and the text. So you just maybe have to adjust the script or maybe find another avatar. So that was actually super easy to create AI UGC videos using Create UGC. So imagine, guys, how many videos you could create in one day just by using this platform and this tool. So that really would save us a lot of time. Now, aside from those AI UGC videos, you can also create here assets. So gawa tayo ng asset dito. And here you have 2 options. So basically, we're just writing like a short sentence and AI will generate the prompt for us. Okay, so it has generated the prompt. Let's accept. There you go. After a few seconds, guys, it has generated already our image. Now let's go and try the image to image. And for this one, we need to upload an image of the product. Look at that. My fine lines, hindi plasticky yung skin niya. That looks super realistic for me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below if you also think that the photos look realistic. So aside from that, guys, they also have here voices where you can record your own voice. So if you want the avatar to use your voice, and then we have also here inspiration videos. So you get an idea when generating your script. Let's say our product is water bottle. Check out those videos na mataas yung views. For example, this one right here, 11,400 views. Check out the video and see the pattern on how they create these videos. So there you go, guys. Those are basically what we're able to create using Create UGC. Now we have already created AI UGC videos. Now what can you do with it? Now number 1 is you can use it to promote your affiliate links. Now the same thing with dropshipping. Another thing naman is if you are to offer offer this as a service. Here are examples of job posts that you can find on the internet. So we have 3, for example, from Upwork alone, that they are looking for skilled freelancer to create AI UGC videos. So here's another one, an AI UGC video creator. And another one here, AI UGC ads creator for realistic, high converting video ads. Now, of course, guys, if you're just registered for a free trial, then you're just limited to 3 AI videos. So it would be impossible to start earning from this as either a side hustle or an online gig, or to promote your dropshipping products or affiliate link. So if you liked the platform, then you may consider subscribing to a plan. So currently, these are the plans that they have available. Launch for $26.90 per month. And then we also have here the second plan, scale. And then we have here max. Now you would be able to save up 30% if you're going to subscribe to an annual plan. So that's all I have for you in today's video, guys. So we have once again tested out a new AI powered platform or tool. And if you want me to keep on creating videos like this, give this video a thumbs up if you like this one, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed here on my channel. That's it for now, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!